What does Port State Control Officer checks? Information asked by PSC. Last Port State Control inspection, place and date, validity of all ship's statutory certificates. Next flag state inspection due, next class survey due. What does PSC checks and verify? EPUB and SART, battery expiry date, last testing. Seafarer's book and the valid national COC. Manning in compliance with the minimum safe manning certificate. Does rest periods comply with STCW requirements? Provisions adequate for the intended voyage. Records on board indicate allotments are made out to all crew up to the end of last month. Do all seafarers have signed Cs on board? All ship's crew being paid their wages in full up to the last month? Does the crew have any complaints under MLC outstanding or pending? When was last fire, abandoned ship and enclosed space entry drill carried out? Date of lifeboat and rescue boat lowered, maneuvered in the water. All attempts, even unsuccessful, recorded in logbook. Equipment inside the lifeboats, rescue boat complete. No expired equipment inside the lifeboats and rescue boat. Last lifeboat engine run, steering test. Last rescue boat engine run, steering test. Corrosion or wastage of lifeboat davit or of sheaves and hooks, etc. Lifeboat and rescue boat davit, S, including on-load release gear operational. On-load release gear operating normally. On-load release gear properly set. Life rafts hydrostatic release unit expiry dates O.K. All launching and embarkation instructions posted next to the lifeboats and life rafts. All charts, no, at largest scale available for desired voyage. All required publications up to date. ECDIS being used for navigation. If ECDIS listed in the record of ship's equipment. All required ECDIS charts and electronic publications available and updated. Are the officers in charge of navigational watch appropriately trained and competent for ECDIS? Is the ship clean and orderly and do the records reflect that the SMS is being followed? Hull and structure in sound condition. All hatches, doors, air pipes, vents, deadlights etc. in good condition and sealing correctly. Fire dampers, closing devices, remote controls, etc. Handles and wires in good condition. All dampers and closing devices, including fire screen doors and watertight doors closing correctly. Fire extinguishing systems water supply valve to automatic pump open and system charged. Fire extinguishing system operational, E.R. fixed FF system operational. Quick closing valves quick operational. Sewage treatment system operational. Vessel trading in emission control area has compliant fuel on board and initiated changeover procedures. No HFO piping connected to MDO storage and vice versa, unless class approved. All waste disposal in accordance with requirements. Garbage record book accurately filled out. Emergency generator or self-contained power source for emergencies last testing and operation. Low insulation alarm properly set, no alarms on main and emergency switchboard. Is OWS operational and when was last operation wasted discharge line? Inside of discharge pipe oily and dirty. No bypass line fitted to any oil filtering equipment. Is 15 ppm alarm operable? Automatic stopping device operable? Three-way valve, pump stop, dual valves. C, E and 2, E able to demonstrative operation of the OWS. Electronic record in the monitor reflect recordings in the oil record hydrostatic. Testing bunker, ballast, cargo line. Hydrostatic test pressure and date. All emergency lighting operational. Emergency exits are free of any obstructions on the entire escape route.